Hey guys, in this video we're going to be learning how to save our pixel art character movements for Scratch. So what we're going to do is turn your eye off on movement 1.2 and then go to File, Export, Export As. Then in here we're going to make sure that our format is PNG and that transparency is ticked, and then all the rest is fine, and then click Export All. I'm going to create a new folder that's going to be called Pixel Art Character Movements, and then in here I'm going to save it as Pixel Art Character Movement 1.1 and then click Export. Then doing the same for our other layer, click the eye off on this 1.1 and then click it on for 1.2, then go to File, Export, Export As. Make sure it says PNG and transparency is ticked, and then click Export for All. Here we're going to name it Pixel Art Character Movement 1.2 and then click Export. So then in my file I should have my two movements, 1.1 and 1.2.